In this video,
we will learn how to install script mods in GTA 5.
in Grand Theft Auto 5, in order to install script mods, all you need to do is open up our browser. From the browser, we'll type in GTA5 mods. After that, the GTA5 mods website will open up. All you need to do is head into this website. After coming into this website, there will be an option called scripts. Just head into this section. In here you will find all the script mods that are available for this game to install. You can just install any one of these script mods that you want. But before installing any of these script mods, you need to install script hook v first. To open up another window, then type in script hook v, then hit enter. Now head to the first website. From here, click on download to download the script hook v mod for your script modding. After script hook v downloads, you can just select any one of the script mods from here. For this tutorial, I'll be using the native trainer that comes with script hook v mod. Now, in order to install, all you need to do is firstly head to the GTA 5 enhanced or GTA 5 install directory. After that, head to the files that you just downloaded, the script hook v file. From here, head to the bin folder. In here, you can see that there are various files. You just need to copy 3 of them mainly. Just right click on copy and paste them in here. After the copying is done, and also you have copied and pasted your mod that you downloaded, the script mod, you need to just head into whatever launcher you are using to play GTA 5 and launch the game from here. Also keep in mind that we can only use mods and also script mods in Grand Theft Auto 5 story mode, not the online mode. If you use them or try to use them in online mode, you can get banned from the game. So now, as I have installed the mods and also the native trainer mod, in order to access it, I'll just need to press F4. By pressing on F4, I can access the native trainer and all its settings and use them in my single player game. So this is how you can easily install script mods in Grand Theft Auto 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.